Just reading fairy tales is so last century. It's 2021. It's time for us to code fairy tales. I mean, even candles are electronic now, so programming fairy tales shouldn't be too much of a stretch, right? Well, now you can learn Python through nursery rhymes and fairy tales. The classic stories have been codified and translated into Python code in a colorful picture book. Take a look. The nursery rhyme or fairy tale is described in English at the top of the page. This is the ending of Goldilocks. The code that describes it is in the middle, and the code is explained below it. Every program can be run on your computer and will output the words of the nursery rhyme or fairy tale. The illustration on the right side shows the scene being described. You might be wondering how hard it was to translate the classic tales into Python code. It was surprisingly easy because it turns out that nursery rhymes and fairy tales from hundreds of years ago are actually quite logical, which I found a little counterintuitive. I mean, not being able to sleep well because of a single pea at the bottom of 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds, and that makes you a princess? Seriously, you'll learn and practice a valuable skill for the 21st century. Python is a popular, easy-to-learn programming language used in many fields, including data science, AI, machine learning, and robotics, as well as in hardware platforms like the Raspberry Pi and microbit board. You'll also use logical thinking as you see nursery rhymes and fairy tales broken down logically into code. I've previously created 2 programming books for beginners, one in the C language and the other in Python. They both tell the story of a fun day, and of course they're written in code. With the incredible support of Kickstarter backers, these books became real. And now you can help make this rendering become a reality too. I've written the code for the book, and I'll be working with an amazing artist to create whimsical full-page illustrations to go along with it. The 8.25 by 11-inch hardcover book will be a special edition with glossy 100-pound paper, decorative end sheets, and it may have more features if funding stretch goals are met. Be the first to get the book and learn Python through nursery rhymes and fairy tales. Join me so you too can write enchanted computer programs. Thank you so much for your support. There we go.